What's up guys, got an episode of Just a Tip for you. We're gonna get in and out super quick. So on my last video, people were asking me what that haze in a can that I was using was, and it is called atmosphere aerosol. If you've never heard of this, it's essentially just haze in a can, and it's gonna give you that same look and feel that hazer is going to give you. It's gonna give volume to your light and atmosphere to your image, and all you gotta do is shake it up, spray, and you have some haze in the room. But be careful with this because it'll leave like surfaces like slippery and stuff. But yeah, it's an awesome thing to bring to all sets. If you need a quick little atmospheric haze, spray it up. It'll last you, I think it's like 15 minutes. It'll last that long and you'll get a ton of haze out of it. It's like $12 a can. Go look it up. Atmosphere aerosol. And yeah, I've used this on a ton of shoots and I always bring it with me, just to add some atmosphere. Yeah, just a tip. Danny Gevirtz. I'll see you later. Bye.